is he? Cool. And this is Isaiah. He's the fountainhead for all of us. So, you know, I think unbeknownst to him, he's touched so many hundreds and thousands of people just by being here. And it's been incredible. It's been an incredible journey. It was something that was gnarly and bad, what I wouldn't have wanted in my life. Turned out to be something delightful and incredible, and given me an amazing path in life. So. I brought you amazing guys here to come together and do this event and host a bunch of children just like my son Isaiah with autism. So we've got the Soleil here, we've got the beautiful teeny little waves of Florida. I just wanted to thank all of you for being here. And you guys know the drill. You know, grab a child, go, be gentle yet firm, and 3 waves if you can find them. And I can't thank you all enough for being here and being a part of this. This is so special, and so I can't thank you enough. I can't thank your families, especially all of you with wives. You know, I can't thank you enough for your time, because this means so much to myself. This means so much to my son Isaiah, and to my wife Danielle, and to these children and these families. So I love you, and let's have a great day.
I'm here for the first time with my son Jonathan, who's right there in the bright green. And it's his first time, our family's first time doing surface healing. We're really excited about it, so I want to celebrate Ford and the circle healing group that do all this great stuff for the kids. And I think it's a great organization. It's a great activity, and we're happy that Jonathan's getting to do something really cool like surfing.
Yeah. Jonathan? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yes?
Did you have a good time?
All right.
You want to do it again?
No.
Yes, you can do it again next year.
We're from Mexico City. We're here because of surfers healing. Seeing so many other families, it's comforting. I mean, sometimes you tend to feel a little alone when you have a kid with autism, and seeing other parents and seeing all the kids being so happy, it's comforting. It's a beautiful experience.
Right away, man. There was no way I would have said no, you know? And especially when you got these beautiful kids. Sometimes they don't even speak to their parents, and they come and they talk to us, and it's like this joy that comes out of these kids, and it's like fills you up, man, with good spirit, you know?
For me, standing up means, I was born into this. I have a son with autism, and standing up to me means these guys standing up for children like my son with autism. They don't have to, and they do it, and they treat the kids like they're their own children. And I'm so honored and I'm so proud that we have that. Woo! Blessings and blessings and blessings and blessings. Thank you guys.
Thank you.